Hi guys. For the demo, we decided to actually rent a real product since we're having a pool party next weekend. So we found this flamingo buoy, which, as you can see here, costs 188. So we'll have a look at the item. At the item page, you can see some reviews. You can actually give some feedback, which is actually useful for us. And then you can book it. You choose the availability. And after checking the availability, you'll book with your credit card info. One note, this is actually production environment, so this is actually my card, so please don't use it. And so after confirming your credit card information, just click book. We'll process the information, and after the processed information, we'll give you the owner's details.